Okay, made it to our room, 7309. It's gonna be a different room for us, huh?
Yeah.
We're gonna see, check it out.
This is room 7309 aboard Independence of the Seas. This is an interior promenade room. At the entrance to the room, we have some storage, a clothes rod, and then another set that can be folded out, a couple shelves, and life jackets. The safe may fit an iPad, probably not one of the larger iPads, or maybe a standard iPad. It would not fit a laptop.
I think it'll fit an iPad, for sure.
And then in the bathroom, the standard tube shower and a vanity.
So yeah, just a basic Royal Caribbean bathroom. Nothing fancy.
We do have the Royal King bed with also some additional open shelving and the television, of course, which usually does swivel. So you can adjust that. There is a desk and vanity area. And then we also have the view of the promenade, which has a love seat to go with it. Got a good view of Cafe Promenade and other people's rooms.
Let's see. Look at this. It's like perfect people watch.
And another upholstered, it's like an extra wide chair. I'm not sure exactly what that is.
I thought it was a love seat, but yeah, that's more or less a larger.
I don't know if we would
single.
both fit on there. Let's see if we have. Yeah, we do have some very small shelves. Good
Ooh,
for
I'm not sure what
like
you put
lotion bottle, like maybe like travel lotion bottles or like foundation that would fit in there, but not very deep. But there is some additional storage and then some open shelving below. Is there a cooler? Oh, there is. I thought that was only balconies and up, but there is a cooler.
Okay.
Your standard cooler. So that's good to know.
Just no coffee maker.
No coffee maker, no chance for Michael to explode or to trip a breaker.
And then at this little seating area, we have in terms of outlets.
Oh yeah.
One European.
One European.
And then two standard 120 volt.
Yeah, two American. So that is the room tour of room 7309 aboard Independence of the Seas. We hope this helps you out.